Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dash page border in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then we add dash page border is going to the design menu option and going for click page border option and click for the box option and select your style and click for the dash option. Now click for the widget option. Now click for the 6pt option. Now click for the OK. That's OK. Then show the add page border dash in Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.